Example number 4, non-prismatic cantilever beam using Titanic method. Simulan na muna natin sa reactions. So assume natin ang reaction at A is upward and yung moment reaction is also upward. So applying vertical equilibrium, positive AY, the load is downward, so negative 108 equal to 0, so that the reaction at A is positive 108, so upward. So to solve for the moment reaction at A, so we take moment at A, so moment left equals moment right, so moment left of A is MA, and since inassume natin na upward, so positive, so yan yung moment left, then equal to moment right of A, so due to the load downward, negative 108 times the lever arm 10. So moment A is negative 1080. So negative means, so hindi tama yung assumption natin na upward. So ang moment at A is downward pala. So i-correct na natin. So hindi siya upward, so siya ay downward. So ang mga hahanapin natin sa problem na ito ay yung mga rotations at B, at C, deflection at B, deflection at C. So mag-assume na muna tayo ng ng elastic curve. And so ito yung point A, point B, point C. Then solve for moments. So moment at A is negative 1080, choosing left. So choosing left, so 1080 pababa, negative. Then moment at B, so cut at B, then we choose right, so pababa yung 108, negative, and the lever arm is 4. So the moment at B is negative 432, and moment at C is, so we cut at C, so we choose right, so the moment C is obviously 0. Simulan muna natin sa deflection at B. So to solve for deflection at B, so we cut at A, then we choose right. So the direction is A to B, right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. So yung theta is theta at A, then equal to negative. Yung moment near is moment at A, so negative 1080. The length is the distance from A to B, so that is 6. Then over 3E, and the inertia for segment AB is 2I. Then plus moment par is the moment at B, negative 432. The length is 6, then over 6E, the inertia is 2I, then plus 6AB over L. So from A to B, wala tayong load, so that the parameter 6AB over L is 0. Then over 6E, the inertia is 2I, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to B, and then measure the vertical distance towards B. So the direction of the vertical distance is downward, so negative, and that vertical distance is the deflection at B. Since the support at A is fixed support, so walang rotation kapag fixed support, so the theta A is 0. So the deflection at B is equal to positive 7,776 over EI. So inassume natin na pababa yung deflection at B, and since positive ang result, so tama, pababa ang deflection at B. So correct yung assumption. Next, we solve for theta B. So cut at B, then we choose left. So the direction is B to A, left. So applicable is formula for theta left. So ito yung formula for theta left. So the theta is theta at B. The moment near is the moment at B, negative 432. The length is the distance from B to A, 6. Then over 3E, the inertia for segment AB is 2I. Then plus moment far is the moment at E, negative 1080. The length is 6 over 6E. Inertia is 2I. Then plus, wala tayong load from B to A, so that the parameter 6A over L is 0. Then over 6E, inertia is 2I. Then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A and measure the vertical distance towards A. So the direction of the vertical distance is upward, so positive, and the vertical distance at A is equal to the deflection at B, 7,776 over EI. So the theta B is equal to negative 2,268 over EI. Negative means clockwise. So yan yung theta B. Okay, next, solve for the deflection at C. So we cut at B, then we choose right. So the direction is B to C. So right, so applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. Then theta is theta at B, then equal to negative. Moment near is the moment at B, negative 432. The length is the distance from B to C, so 4 over 3E. The inertia for segment BC is I. Then plus moment far is the moment at C, 0. The length is 4, then over 6EI. Then plus, walang load from B to C, so the parameter 6AB over L is 0. Then over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C, and the direction of the vertical distance to C is downward. So negative, since downward, and the vertical distance is tawagin na lang natin HBC. So theta B, na-solve na natin kanina, negative 2,268 over EI. So that HBC is positive 11,376 over EI. So positive means tama yung direction ng HBC, downward. Then the deflection at C is obviously equal to the deflection at B plus HBC. So absolute value. So the deflection at B is 7,776 over EI, then plus HBC is 11,376. So the deflection at C is equal to 19,152 over EI directed downward. So yan yung deflection at C. Next, solve for theta C. So cut at C, then we choose left. The direction is C to B, left. So applicable is formula for theta left. So ito din formula for theta left. Theta is theta at C, then equal to the moment near is the moment at C, 0. The length is the distance from C to B, so 4. Then over 3EI plus moment far is the moment at B, negative 432. The length is 4 over 6EI. Then plus, wala tayong load from C to B, so the parameter 6AB over L. So this is 6AA. So the parameter 6A over L is 0. Then over 6EI, then minus h over L. So for h, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from C to B, then measure the vertical distance towards B. So the direction of the vertical distance is upward, so positive, and this vertical distance is equal to HBC. So HBC is 11,376 over EI. So the theta C is equal to negative 3,132 over EI clockwise. So yan yung theta C. Interpret natin yung results. So nag-deflect si beam at ito yung elastic curve. So ito yung point A, point B, point C. So ang nangyari kay point B, nag-deflect siya pababa, and then gawa tayo ng tangent line. So nag-deflect pababa, at the same time nag-rotate clockwise. Si point C naman, nag-deflect pababa, then draw tangent line, at the same time nag-rotate clockwise. So yan yung interpretation nitong mga data na ito. Nabanggit natin sa introduction ng Titanic method na isa sa mga disadvantage niya ay kapag ang structure ay non-prismatic. So ito yung nangyari, i-summarize natin yung naging process. So nag-assume tayo ng elastic curve, then point A, point B, point C, then say ang tinatanong ay theta C using Titanic method. So ang kailangan natin gawin, una, ikat muna natin at A, consider the direction A to B, at ang na-compute natin dyan ay deflection at B. Then ang sunod na ginawa is cut at B, then we choose left. So the direction is B to A, at ang nasolve naman natin theta B. Then next, cut at B, then choose right naman. So the direction is B to C, at ang nasolve naman natin is HBC. And then finally, cut at C, choose left. So the direction is C to B, at nasolve natin theta C. So actually kaya kailangan natin gawin ito ay kasi yung deflection B ay gagamitin natin sa B to A to solve for theta B. At ngayong nasolve na natin yung theta B ay gagamitin natin sa direction B to C to solve for HBC. And then yung HBC ay gagamitin natin sa direction C to B to solve for theta C. So hindi natin masosolve actually directly yung theta C using Titanic method. So kailangan nating daanan itong mga deflection at B, theta B, HBC bago tayo makarating sa theta C. So kapag ang problem ay non-prismatic, isa sa mga best solution is area moment method. So kung area moment method, masosolve natin yung theta C directly.